What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this mini stove that you can put fire starters in and cook little stuff on top of it, or use it for a lantern out of, yes, a regular bottle. What you have to do first, you don't have to do this, but since I'm showing you guys how to, you can mark this anywhere. Draw an A. Any size you guys want. It doesn't matter. Just draw an A on the can like that. An I, not an A. An I. An I. Then grab a knife. And then just cut out that A. Cut the A out. I kind of messed up on it, but this is how it would basically turn out. It's a little stove. I can probably just fix it right now. There you go. A double door one. That's basically it, and you could start a little a little fire in there. You could use it as a lantern too. Hang some string, you just hang it from somewhere like that. Or like what I like to do is make fire starters from them, because you could grab your little okay. Well, that's basically, you just put it in there and like make like put a little pot on there or something, and basically you start a fire like what I'm going to try to do right now. There you go.